Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. And in this lecture, we will be going over Jinja and Jinja scripts. So what is Jinja? Jinja is a fast, expressive, and extensible templating language for creating full-stack web applications. Jinja is able to write code similar to Python in the DOM and by manipulating data. The template is passed data to render within the final document from Python. What are Jinja templating tags and scripts? Well, Jinja tags allow developers to be confident while working with backend data using tags that are similar to HTML. In the code image provided, we can see that the href is dynamically grabbing the CSS from the base.css in a specific path. This overall means Jinja is grabbing the relative path and configuring the CSS automatically. The double brackets and the URL path to CSS is extremely powerful and dynamic. Now imagine we have a list of to-dos that we receive from the database and the Python backend. In the example, we can see that the context object from todos.py and a for loop within home.html. For us to display all of the to-dos, we must loop through each to-do within the to-dos list and then print the to-do. The Jinja templating scripts allows us to do this easily. First, we have to pass in the list of to-dos from Python. In the context object, we are saying we want to create a variable called to-dos, which will hold the data of all of the data within the to-dos list. And then in the DOM, we want to loop through the list within the HTML file. We also have to specifically say when to end the for loop by saying end for. Another thing you might notice is that our for loop has double brackets and percent signs to start the for loop and to end the for loop. We can also use Jinja templating language with if-else statements. Again, we must use double brackets with percent signs to create an if-else statement. One thing that may stand out is the double brackets within the to-dos pipe length. As we can see here, a single bracket 2% signs means some type of control flow, loops, or logic, while a simple double brackets means a specific variable. We also have to end the if statement by specifically saying end if, just like we had to specifically end the for loop by saying end for. This gives us a simple overview of Jinja, so let's jump back into our to-do application so we can add some Jinja scripts to our web application. I'll see you in the next video.